Alright, let's break down the big changes in Pakistan's taxes for 2024 and 2025, because who doesn't want to know where their hard-earned money is heading? First up, the 2024 to 2025 budget. Its official new tax brackets for both salaried and non-salaried folks are in place. If you're earning your bread mainly through a salary, think at least 75% of your income the government updated your income tax rates. And if you don't fit that bill, your brackets have changed too. Now for the numbers for salaried individuals, the government kept 6 tax slabs, but bumped up the rate to 5% for those earning between Rs. 600,000 and Rs. 1.2 million a year. That's a heavier load for the middle class, especially with inflation already biting. If your annual salary is below Rs. 600,000, you're safe. No income tax for you. But start earning above that, and you'll pay 2.5% on the amount over Rs. 600,000. For non-salaried folks and associations of persons, the top tax rate has jumped from 35% to a hefty 45%. That's a big leap, so plan accordingly. Property owners, listen up. Advanced tax rates on selling property have shifted. If you're a filer, you'll pay between 3% and 4% depending on the value. Late filers? That's 6% to 8%. Non-filers might face up to 10%. Plus, if you buy property after July 2024 and sell it, your capital gain now sees a flat 15% tax rate. Fast forward to the 2025 to 2026 budget. Here's some rare good news. Marginal rates for middle-income earners are coming down, with lower overall taxes for many salaried individuals. So, if you're middle class, relief is finally on the horizon. Bottom line, taxes are changing fast in Pakistan. Stay sharp, double-check your bracket, and if in doubt, ask an expert. Your wallet will thank you.